Today we hosted the Minister Nzimande, Minister of Higher Education, Science and Innovation, who wanted to inspect the buildings that have been affected by the fire. In African culture, when you have a happening like this, it is really comforting to see the minister here with us. The deputy minister was here 2 weeks ago and had a walkabout, and it's good to have the minister doing this, having first-hand experience and seeing what the damage is. And what's special about today, the walkabout today, is that for the first time we were able to walk into the buildings that are damaged. I mean, even we as the leadership of the university haven't been able to walk into the Jagger Library. And with the minister being here at this time, it allowed us to have that tour with the minister inside the building as well as inside of Pearson Biological Sciences building. It's reassuring. It shows us support from the department, much as we need at this time in the life of the university.
I've always been wanting to come to UCT. I sent my deputy minister earlier just to say that as a department, come and express our solidarity, but also beyond just solidarity, support that we need to give to UCT. I've mobilized two of my institutions, the National Research Foundation and the National Institute of Humanities and Social Sciences. Those are two institutes under me. I've mobilized them and they have offered to work with UCT to assist you as much as possible to reconstruct the library.
What the minister has offered today is very valuable for the university. We have so many other assets that are not cash that we can tap into to help the university with its recovery. We are living through a pandemic. Budgets had to be reprioritized, and students are also concerned about maybe not getting, funding for their studies when the university starts to focus too much in one specific area. This is a huge loss to the university. It's going to cost us a lot of money, but we must also, leverage what the Department of Education has, and also remember that our students' funding is still also just as important.